Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's speak about jewelry. Why I'm doing this, I don't know. I have been receiving so many questions about what I'm wearing in my videos, and I just wanted to make one to show you what it is. And I'm so excited because I love it's small collection, but I love my jewelry pieces. I'm going to show you the pieces how I got them. So yeah, step by step. Yes, let's get started because I cannot wait to share with you this gold. Literally, it's a gold most of the time. The first piece I ever got to myself, and this is really something I got to myself, is my Rolex timepiece. I got this actually about 6 years ago, I would think. Time flies, right? Time flies very fast. This is the Rolex with the metallic dial, as you can not see because the camera is not focusing. Right there, this camera. Anyway, this is my Rolex. With the Rolex I wanted to go for something feminine but masculine at the same time, because I am just not big fan of the cute little pieces of jewelry or watches, like, you know, like pink or the flowers or the very cute little designs they do. That's just not me. I like a little bit more masculine pieces. I think that comes a little bit with age as well. I'm not sure. Doesn't mean I'm old. No, I just like classic pieces. This is just, to me, it's classic, right? So yeah, I got this timepiece to myself many years ago after a very successful work season. I was just like, go and do it, because I always wanted to have nice watch, and I was thinking about Chanel watch, but Chanel watch is something, luckily I grew up out of it because it's black or white, right? So I just prefer something metallic. So I think this is combination of white gold on the dial, and this is stainless steel. So yeah, yep, that's my timepiece, and I'm very proud to have it because it's just cute. Even I don't have a chance to wear it these days as much, because in my job I cannot wear other brands, so it's kind of sucks, but whatever. So this is my timepiece. That's the first piece I ever got, so I'm very grateful for it. The next piece, guys, I got is this beautiful Chanel necklace. This is you know, I hope you know Chanel costume jewelry is not real. These are not real pearls. These are, I believe, glass, so be very careful so you don't break it, right? So yes, I'm obsessed with this necklace. I got this necklace 1 year before Christmas when we were in New York, and we went to the Soho salon, do you call it salon? Store. We went to the store in Soho, and my husband got me this for Christmas. And how I like to wear is just like this, very simple. Sometimes I like to wear like scarf around and on top of the necklace, of course, and the necklace just like sideways peaks from it when I move, and that's how I like to wear this necklace. I am not a big fan of wearing it double wrap. I think that's a little too old school for me. I prefer, you know, a little bit, I prefer to stay young forever. Right? Just kidding. Anyway, so yes, I mean, I have no problem with the double wrap, it's just not my personal style. So anyway, so yeah, this is the next piece I got many years ago as well. Then my husband actually got me these beautiful Tiffany earrings, which are again pearls. These are real pearls, Tahitian pearls, if I'm saying it correctly. Again, in the dark gray color. As you see, I don't go for the usual girly pearls like white, because like I mentioned before, I like a little bit more masculine pieces. I was never into their little cute stuff. Like, my mom was always mad with me since I was a little girl. Why don't you wear pink? I was just like, I'm black. I don't know what's wrong with me, but that's just who I am. So yes, these are earrings. The next piece I got, which you can see in my videos, is this little tiny Elsa Peretti, of course Tiffany again, but by Elsa Peretti pendant with a little diamond. Let me show you. You can see it on my pictures in some of my videos. It's a very delicate piece. It's rose gold with one tiny little diamond. I think this was around $1,100. They have different sizes. I got this in the Tiffany in Rodeo Drive on my first trip to LA. You see, I like to connect my pieces to memories, and I think that's how it should be. Jewelry should bring you memories. The same like perfumes, you know, like when you smell perfume, it brings you, let's say, to your childhood, right, and things like that. And I think jewelry should be the same way. So I always like to connect it to something special, like traveling or anniversaries or Christmas, something like that. Anyway, so this is again rose gold, beautiful little piece, very delicate. I actually got this piece because I was planning to do like the stocking of many necklaces, but I find out it just doesn't work for me, guys. And I try really hard. I have another necklaces which are like delicate, but they just like create this big chunk on my neck and they move sideways, and then I have just like weird thing going on with the closings, but the necklace is on side. And you know, when you are like living normal life, you know, like normal people do, not just taking pictures all day, then you don't notice it, and it just doesn't look good. It looks weird, it looks sad and very embarrassing at the same time. Yeah. So anyway, the next piece I got here, this is actually I got last year from Misoma, London. Here, guys, you can see this gorgeous little necklace. This is not gold, this is brass, and it's gold plated, I believe. Is it even gold plated? I'm not sure, but it's not real gold. It was $230, I believe, or something like that. And it's a very beautiful piece, and I'm appreciative of this because I really like it. And this actually stayed, this piece was a reason why I decided to go for a little bit stronger pieces of jewelry, not for the chunky ones, for the little thin ones, because once you put this on, it just doesn't do that, you know, it just stays. So if you want, perhaps I could do like more pieces like this, you know, different lengths, but then I feel like this is a little too yellow because it's not real gold. So it's really like on a daylight, it's a little too orange because it's not gold, you know. Now I cannot open it, I cannot find the... Ah, finally. There we go. So yes, it's usually this is very easy to put on. As you can see here, let me show you. Here it has just like this little push thing, and you slide this part there and it's closed. And the way you find it is that it's these two are the same, otherwise you have the little bit more with the detail there, see. And as you can see, it's a little bit more yellow. The camera shows you very well right now. So hey, there it's me. So that's why I'm a little bit more stepping away from this necklace, because it's really yellow. And I love gold, I love rose gold, but the difference is it's very yellow. But you know, if you don't feel comfortable spending a ton of money on jewelry, oh, go for this. It's fabulous, the details are perfect. I'm loving it. It's a very nice necklace. It's just a little yellow. The next piece I'm going to show you is in this box. You can already see it, you've seen this on my pictures, on my videos so much. This is the hardware collection from Tiffany. This collection should, I believe, represent Manhattan woman. I'm from a little town in Czech Republic, so not Manhattan, but I'm New Yorker in my heart. I love the city so much. I am heartbroken that I haven't been there for over a year right now. We usually go 2-3 times a year, and now I'm just like losing my mind because I miss the city so much. But it's just like has its own story right now, so we are not going. Hopefully soon. Anyway, so yes, this is supposed to represent like this strong woman of Manhattan, and I don't like the pieces just because of that, of course not. I'm appreciative of the craftsmanship, which I'm going to show you right now. So this necklace is graduated from small, as you can see, to large size. The detail is so beautiful, and maybe I will be able to show you if this camera wants to work with me. Right there, you see the detail, it's just fantastic. They have it in rose gold, yellow gold, and silver as well, and I wanted the yellow gold because I love yellow gold. And as you can see, again, this necklace is hello camera. This necklace is a little bit more masculine. It's again not very girly, I would say. Let me show you. I put it on. Oh wait, what I like, you can hook it here a little bit lower and make it shorter if you like. I mean, for me it's okay. I can't put it on because of my nails. Damn it, my nails are not even that long. There you go. So you see how it looks. I think this is perfect statement by itself. I don't really need more of that with it. This collection comes with earrings, bracelets, pendants, all kinds of things I'm gonna show you shortly. So yes, I got this for actually our 10-year wedding anniversary last year in October, and I am loving this piece. I wear it as much as I can. Love it so much. And because I love it so much, my husband got me as well the matching bracelet, which again, I got this for Christmas. Goddamn poop. Here you can see the detail. This is the medium size. I think it comes in 3 different sizes, and I love this one. And I actually have eye on the really big one as well, which is like this size, but that's definitely not something I can wear here every day. That's a little too big for me personally. And actually, just to let you know guys, I never been so much into jewelry, and the big reason of that is because I feel like, of course, what you like, Van Cleef and Cartier, right? Beautiful, beautiful pieces. They have just incredible craftsmanship, beautiful gold. You appreciate it, yes. But here in Miami, what kind of turns me out of it is everybody wears like 7 bracelets at the same time, and I think that just looks weird. It's a little too much. I prefer like 3 bracelets. That's good enough, you know. But if you wear like 7 love bracelets on one hand and another 3 on other hand, and then you mix it with Van Cleef Alhambra, it just looks kind of weird. It's like, you know, it's like it brings you back in Egypt, right? When the, like in the movies, when they wear all these chunk of gold everywhere. I mean, it's cute in the movie in Egypt, like when you're a god or something like that, but otherwise it just doesn't give the special feeling to me to a jewelry. And that's why I love Cartier and I love Van Cleef. It's just, it pushed me a little bit side away from it, especially I work in the industry, so when you see it so much, you may just don't appreciate it as much no more. Anyway, that's why I fell in love with Tiffany, because I see it on social media, but I don't see it as much. You know, every person in Miami wears it, which I like. Makes me feel more special. Yeah, that's what I will say. Doesn't mean, guys, I don't appreciate Cartier. I am loving the Enclos bracelet, if I'm saying it correctly. Enclos. I have to work on my French, right? Pronunciation. So yeah, I love that one, and I'm planning to add that to my collection. I just don't know when yet, but I'm very happy with what I have right now. So the next piece I want to show you, which I again received together with this bracelet for Christmas as a gift from my dear husband, was this T collection bracelet. You can see it again on my social media, in my videos. This is super easy to put on. As you can see, it's the oval, and you just close it. It has double click, so it's like very secure. Other day I figured I wore it only on one click, so it still stay, I didn't lose it. So yeah, it just fits perfectly. It's very easy, it's very pretty, it's more masculine. That's what I like about it. Like I mentioned before, you see my pieces are a little bit like that. Yeah, not too girly, right? And the last piece of jewelry is in this little box. I got this actually, just almost dropped my Misoma necklace. I got this piece for myself the day my little baby girl left, so in a memory of her. So it's as pretty as she was. Look at that. Well, actually, no, nothing is that beautiful as she was. Anyway, my camera has to die when I'm speaking about my little girl. Anyway, this is the collection called the Clash. I believe it's one of the latest collections from Cartier. I got this ring for the finger here. Actually, I got inspired by social media because I'm like that. It takes me a long time to like something, but once I like it, I go for it. So yeah, this finger right now is slightly swollen. It's summer, it's really hot, but this hand is always a little bit bigger because I write with my right hand, so the left one is, you see, now it fits perfectly. So it's for this finger, and I'm loving it. It looks super elegant, classy, it's not overpowering. If you go for this collection, don't get scared because the little spikes move. It's like a crown, it looks like a crown a little bit, and they move. Yeah, so this is, guys, my collection. This is my collection of jewelry, which I love because I love gold. I like yellow gold. I love rose gold. I used to love silver or white gold so much, but honestly to say, it looks to me good at this point only when you have it combined with diamonds. Because if you set diamonds in yellow gold and you have like colorless diamond, it's no point of having colorless diamond if you set it in gold, because it will get the color of the gold and it just doesn't look colorless anymore. It just, like, it does, but not really, you know what I mean? So if I go for, like, this is white gold, my wedding band is white gold with diamonds because of that reason. And I actually don't mind to mix metals. I think it's absolutely okay. It's 2021, guys. It's okay. I don't know what was that. It's morning. I'm confused, but I did already have coffee. I'll put links below so you can see the rest of the collection. I hope you enjoy my little jewelry collection. Please share what is your favorite jewelry. I believe there will be some Cartier and Van Cleef, and there is nothing wrong with it because I love the brands. They are beautiful. The craftsmanship is, you know, it's a part of history. It's just something. I just don't like when people like trash it by wearing 7 of them at the same time. Yeah, this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I see you next week. I actually am going to work soon, so I need to prepare something to eat. Yeah. Oh no, I still have a little bit of time, but yeah, I need to make my smoothie. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I love all your beautiful comments. You know, I try to answer to all of you as much as I can. Thank you so much for watching and I see you next week. Bye bye.